Good morning, respected father, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. It is true that a prayer that comes from the heart can move mountains. It increases your faith and brings you close to the God. So I request all students to stand up and take your prayer position.
Eternal God, Creator of all, I firmly believe that I am now in your presence. I adore your divine majesty, and I ask of you to enlighten my mind that I may know you more clearly, and to move my heart that I may love you above all things and my fellow beings. Help me to be a torchbearer of your wisdom.
How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. I am Alana from 9C, and today I am here to present a thought. The thought for the day is 10% of life is what happens to us and 90% of how we react to it. When an unpleasant incident occurs in our life, it is up to us how long we take to grieve about it. Stronger is the man who feels the pain but still decides to stand and move on. Life has much nicer gifts to offer us in return, but if we keep sitting and refuse to let it go, how would we get all those gifts meant for us? So, dear friends, take your time to heal and move on. Never stay down with bad memories, as they would always take us back and never let us move forward. I hope the thought which I told you would help you in one or the another way. Thank you.